Hey everyone, this is DayTraderRockStar, and this is a fast update video. We're still into the beginning of the first trading day of the month. This video is pretty much for Tuesday. We have a couple more days until we get the ECB announcement and then our jobs report coming out. So the markets are going to be in a state of probably a little consolidation going into these numbers, and then from this point on, well, we'll see how it plays out. But there is great stocks that we're trading as this is happening. This week's best bet was Dunkin' Donuts. I actually put this one out to the public on Friday last week. We got into it on this divergence, and I want to just go over it one more time. It was a really clear-cut lane divergence here versus downward price motion, and the stochastics here ramping up. And from that point on, we had actually a nice little move, and the pullback was measured. It was a nice measured it's just a kind of a 60-minute time frame that rolled over, got oversold, and then from that point on, we talked about today's action. This was out here on Friday for today. I actually put a buy trigger on this at 45.19. 45.19. That's why you're kind of confirming that breakout, and that's that candle we got, and we pushed right up against our target, which was 46. And I still expect it to go higher. So we took partial profits on that and expecting a little bit more, and we'll take partial, the rest of the profits either tomorrow or when it looks right. So that's, that happened so fast, and that was usually the best, the best bets of the week. We want to see that move, but you give it 5 days to make that move. Lots of times it happens early in the week, Monday or Tuesday. And I wanted to just talk about my next best bet for the week. There's, we have a full list of stocks, so that we have a list. On the HPS website. The HPS site is where we track all the high probability setups like this. This is an HPS site, and I sent this one out to the general public, but this is what you would get. You would get all these charts all triggered for you, meaning that once this trade is active and you're subscribed to the charts and stuff, whenever there's a trigger being hit, you get those automatic emails and text alerts letting you know that the trade is active. So you're able to kind of plan out your trading strategy and also follow this trading strategy too. So that's and again, you got a lot of stocks to choose from, and every week I put out about one or two good setups to give you an example of what you're seeing. So again, let's just talk about a stock that's setting up today. It's a beautiful setup. I got in it last week, and we kind of added to it today, and I put this one in a kind of a higher risk category because I prefer not to trade stocks under $20. Just find that whatever. They don't have the consistency of a stock, a higher price stock. It seems to give us better action. It behaves good in channels and trend lines and support lines and stuff. And here there's a lot more of wait and see, and could be anyway. Not to dwell on that. Don't like trading under $20 stocks, but this is a great opportunity. We had a divergence in here, which you could see here the higher low on the stochastic and the lower low on the price. And this is a cheap stock, so I'm very cautious on saying that this would be an actual divergence. I actually see one back here too. You can actually see this as I'm looking back at this chart. I'm always looking at the chart. You have a slight increase there, and there's definitely a downward bias there. And you can see we moved up here, and it's usually a sign, but you can see we kind of broke down then. It wasn't really a perfect textbook sign there. Either way, the combination today is that candlestick. It had an increased volume, greater than average volume came out, and a nice support line, a nice candle, and good volume, and the divergence is there. So we're looking for this to continue to push higher. Expect to get through this 20-period moving average. And I think tomorrow's a good shot at that. We had okay volume, so tomorrow we could see that move through this level and get us up here. It's not a big moving stock, I'm not expecting to get a tremendous home run up here, but if we get above $15.50, anywhere close to $16, I would say that's a fantastic trade. All right, so, and again, the market's here kind of just grinding out into Thursday, but Thursday we'll cover that event live for you at 7:45, live on Day Trading Radio. So, and every other day. I'll see you in the markets. I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll be looking for MDRX here to kind of move up a little bit further.